Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in website analytics with Google Analytics step by step clearly. First, create a Google Analytics account by visiting analytics.google.com. Click on the Start for Free button to begin the registration process. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on the Set Up Property button. Enter your website name, industry category, and reporting time zone. Select your data sharing settings according to your preferences. Click Create to finalize the property setup. Accept the terms of service to proceed. You will now see your tracking ID and global site tag. Copy the global site tag code shown on the screen. Next, go to your website's content management system or HTML editor. Paste the global site tag code into the head section of your website. Save and publish the changes to your website. Return to your Google Analytics dashboard. Click on Real-Time to see if data is being tracked. Visit your website in another browser or incognito window. Monitor the Real-Time section in Google Analytics to confirm activity. Next, set up goals to track specific actions on your site. Navigate to the Admin section and select your property. Under the View column, click on Goals. Click on the plus New Goal button to create a new goal. Choose a goal template or create a custom goal based on your objectives. Follow the prompts to define your goal details. Save your changes to activate the new goal. Now, familiarize yourself with the various reports available. Explore the audience, acquisition, and behavior reports to gain insights. Analyze user behavior and traffic sources to improve marketing strategies. Regularly review your reports to identify trends and make data-driven decisions. Consider setting up custom dashboards for quick access to key metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.